My name is Caitlin Furster, and I am the lab coordinator for the Communication Media Department at Ames Community College. If you're a musician or you love listening to music or love movies, love to just kind of create your own music on the computer and love technology, this is a really great program for you. Audio production is recording, editing, mixing, and producing of audio. There are plenty of job opportunities for graduates who complete a degree in our program. You can go off and work on live sound rigs. You can go work for live sound companies. You can also go work for recording studios or go do your own field production. You're going to learn how to record and mix and master, take audio samples and edit them down to make sure that there's no background noise. Learn how to use really great plugins and compressors, EQs, effects. You'll learn how to use all of that equipment here. The knowledge of our faculty translates directly into the classroom. Each of our students gets hands-on training with our instructors, one-on-one as well as in our small classes. I really enjoy audio production because it allows me to be creative. I'm a musician and I play saxophone, guitar, and I love to sing, and that kind of curated this passion in me to go off and learn how to actually record and mix and master music. If you're someone who loves technology, loves music, or maybe you're just a musician that has no idea where to start, Ames is the perfect place for you to take your passion and turn it into a rewarding career.